This 1986 Rolls-Royce Corniche 2 is brought to you by Auto Gallery, Chicago. 1986 Rolls-Royce Corniche 2 6.8L V8 engine, automatic transmission, power windows, power convertible, soft top with veneered trim, interior dark burgundy, exterior beige leather, interior beige convertible, soft top. The hill tray includes original owner's manual, Rolls-Royce floor mats, vehicle history, very low mileage, Florida vehicle. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have, or ask us for detail. Walk around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery, Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 1986 Rolls-Royce Corniche 2 is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery, Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery, Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the right to withdraw, terminate. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.